the most awaited event in the country, Beacon Expo 2023, the Maritime League event.
I say it is historic because this is the first time that the Maritime League on its own organizing and hosting this 3-day conference on the blue economy.
Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa SMX Manila sa harap po sa Beacon 2023, the Maritime League Expo 2023. At syempre, kasama po natin, hindi po pwedeng mawala ang sumuporta po dito sa Beacon 2023, ang Department of Tourism. At kasama po natin ngayon ang our special guest. It's an honor na makasama po natin siya. Siya po ang Director for Tourism and Coordination and Regional Operation. Let's welcome Ms. Judilyn Quiachon. Palakpakan natin.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan.
And good morning.
Ako ma'am, thank you very much for supporting the Beacon 2023. Mama, what is the role of tourism dito po sa Beacon 2023?
Looking around, makikita natin na this industry is a supplier of the tourism industry. Yes, if we all know that the Philippines is archipelagic in nature, so napapaligiran tayo ng dagat. So traveling around the archipelago, we use boats, ships, diba? Lahat ng klaseng vessels for the sea ginagamit natin. So going from one island to another, gumagamit tayo ng barko, ginagamit natin ang ating dagat.
Wow, so napakalaki ng role ng Department of Tourism, their partner.
Opo, kasi maraming turista ang pumupunta dito sa Philippines to experience our sun and beach. And they come here, mag-dive, so iba-ibang, they surf, so lahat din sa tubig. Maraming sa tubig ang ine-enjoy nilang experiences.
Yes. So, kung titignan natin, ma'am, ang Pilipinas ay with the help of these ladies and gentlemen nating mga maritime, malaking tulong sila to preserve the tourism, right ma'am?
Malaking tulong sila, partner natin sila in making sure that however we use our marine resources is done sustainably.
Yes.
So with mindful tayo in terms of marine protection, our marine environmental conservation. So yun po.
So ano yung programa ng Department of Tourism in terms of maritime, ma'am?
Ang partnership namin talaga with, let's just say, DOTR, with the Coast Guard, the Marina. With the DOTR is making sure na convenient yung pagbiyahe from one island to another.
Siyempre safe, no?
Safety, si Marina din. Safety ng mga barko natin, diba? And of course, the Coast Guard na safe yung ating mga turista while at sea. And part na rin yun yung marine environmental conservation.
At napakaganda nitong expo nito, ma'am, kasi pinapakita natin yung kakayanan ng Pilipinas.
Yes.
Sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang mga teknolohiya in terms of safety, yung kanyang magaganda equipment na talagang maiingatan ng isang Pilipino at mga ibang taga-ibang lugar.
Totoo po yun. Maganda ito because we are able to see kung ano din yung kakayanan ng ating partners in terms of supplying for the industry. Oo. Na meron pala tayong gumagawa ng barko, gumagawa nung nakita ko may yung sinasakyan ko sa Coast Guard, meron sila din ganon yung parang steel na boat. Oo, na parang rubber boat na steel. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. But anyway, na meron pala tayong gawa dito sa Philippines.
At siyempre, nagpapasalamat tayo sa organizer, ang Maritime League, dahil nagbuo sila ng ganito para ipagmalaki ang turismo ng Pilipinas in terms of maritime. Ma'am, maraming salamat. Alam ko you're so busy.
Thank you din
Give
po.
some special message for the Filipino, what they expect to the partnership of Beacon 2023 at ng Department of Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome again Miss Judeline Quiacion.
I'd like to congratulate the Maritime League, Marine League,
Yan.
Mar-
Maritime League.
the Maritime League for organizing the Beacon 2023. No, this is something that we welcome because we are able to bring together from the side of the supplier na meron tayong platform for them to be able to exhibit what is available to our even to the tourism industry market. Kasi ginagamit ng industriya ng turismo yung mga, for example, yung jet skis, yung mga boats, at iba-iba pang naka-display dito na gawa ng ating marine sector. And it's also a platform na we are able to meet with partners. Like now, nakilala ko sina from the Maritime League at saka ang iba ding nandun si Navy, nandyan si Coast Guard at iba pang
Iba-iba, no?
mga agencies na katuwang namin sa tourism development, sustainable tourism development.
Wow, what a beautiful message. Ma'am, pero ma'am, nakijoin sa atin sa programa natin ng Exhibits Today. Let's welcome the Maritime Studies, ang AIMS Asian Institute sa pangunguna ni RG D. Cabuay, ang Discipline Coordinator. Palakpakan naman natin. Yan. At siyempre kasama din natin ang Philippine Marine, walang iba si Mr. Abella. Palakpakan naman natin. At kasama rin po natin, ma'am, ang Philippine Coast Guard sa pangunguna po ni Mark Vincent Apolinario, ang OIC. At si Jean Luis Andal, JJC Colinap at Romel Lansala. Ma'am, ito pong mga gentleman na ito at mga kababayan natin, they are willing to protect yung ating pong karagatan. Kasama po ang Department of Tourism. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon ay nagpapasalamat po tayo siyempre sa Maritime League at siyempre po sa Venue Design, Swedish Design na gumawa po ng magagandang booth at yung gumawa mismo ng mga booth dito sa SMX at saka sa World Trade. Sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles, I always say, God bless you.